Happy Sabbath, guys! Happy Saturday! Today will be the last day of the Sabbath for the month of August. So, now I am just waiting for my friend. She will be picking me up here. Oh, Come, I take. Wow, the dark clouds. So guys, here we are. We arrived after nearly 1.5 hours. So guys, this is not really a church. We had a special, we called it garden worship today.
Het betreft twee soorten mensen die in het oordeel terecht zullen komen. Zij die bewust het verkeerde doen, onjuist handelen, kiezen voor het kwaad. Maar ook zij die nalaten om het goede te doen. Die het goede wel kennen, die weten waar het om gaat, die de Bijbel kennen.
Amiga, salam ke amiga Wandi katanya.
O Heer, onze grote God, gij schepper van hemel en aarde. We richten ons tot u, Heer, gij die de God van waarheid, van recht zijt, van licht en van leven. Heer, gedenk ons, Heer, schepselen die onder de wereld van zonde gebukt gaan. We vragen u, leid ons, Heer, in alle dingen, in de problemen van elke dag die op ons afkomen, in de moeite, Heer, en het verdriet op onze weg. Heer, leid ons daardoor door uw Heilige Geest. Heer, we vragen uw Geest als hulp om te zien waar we Jezus kunnen volgen en dat we door hem mogen geleid worden. Hij die de waarheid is, hij die het licht is, o Heer, straks zullen we voor eeuwig met hem zijn. We vragen, Heer, uw bijstand, uw kracht en het geloof dat ons zou leiden naar die veilige haven waar we dichtbij gekomen zijn. We vragen uw zegen voor ons allemaal, Heer, ook voor de kleine kinderen, dat ze mogen op de weg naar u verder een leven leiden. En voor de ouders, dat ze hun kinderen goed zouden ook kunnen begeleiden naar die waarheid van Jezus, naar het licht van Jezus. We vragen het in zijn naam. Amen.
Amen.
Samen.
nummer 307.
We use it without it's good.
Happy Sabbath, guys! Sabbath!
Happy Sabbath!
Happy Sabbath! Sabbath in nature, typical Belgian Sabbath. In nature.
Diba? Nice ang nature dito.
Yeah, he has a pony. Yeah, there's
Ah.
a goat.
Here, wipes, anyone?
Just for eating.
For what? You wipes?
Yeah, no?
We're going to eat our lunch.
Well, I had no idea.
I will take one. Soup first. Huh? Completo Ricardo's. This lady,
Is this a Ricardo?
Yeah.
Like that. Complete Ricardo. Complete
Okay, do I have a bag for...
It's a spoon, Joe.
What kind of
What is wrong with you?
what kind of soup is that?
This is a Haitian. It's a,
Be careful.
in Haiti, we call it soup joumu.
Thank you.
It's usually squash,
Thank you.
but I don't quite find squash here, so it's a mixture of pumpkin and butter. Pumpkin and butternut.
How's the taste? We haven't prayed yet. So wait a moment.
And the whole rest is
There's
Cold weather matches the soup of Miss Haitian.
I cannot remember her name. Sasha's sister. I have her on Facebook with me. That's the worst thing.
Her
know
sister
Bernard?
is here. You can
know
look the
Bernard?
picture. It's the same as
No,
Sasha.
it is her. I know it's her.
You know Bernard, the one that I asked for those questions? That's the first.
Okay, and then you have to compare it with something else and compare it with a different language.
Yes, I do some in my language.
And that's what you need to do. And then the very first thing, you don't take the Bible and you start reading it like you would read a book.
No.
No, if you are not, and you know what? Not only that, you may.
So I read my Bible, I have time to study.
but you
But the more I study, now I can understand Floren. Floren has a lot of questions.
Yeah.
And I understand completely Floren right now because how more you study, how more questions you have.
Which is normal because you're acquiring
And-
more knowledge.
How more you look for the answer, and how more, how to say, advice or what you get.
That's the
Sometimes
thing.
how more confusing it is.
That's telling you what? That's telling you that maybe you are not looking in the right places. That's probably what it's telling you. If it's creating confusion, then you need to be led. And you know what? You can even. This is the thing that some people don't understand. We still have this. We have the feeling that we are there and God is way there. You understand what I'm saying? And God is that big and we're that little. Whereas God, I'm not talking about you. I'm saying that's the image. Whereas we are so close to God, He's so close to us,
Yes.
and
No need. Let me.
it's so simple for Him, and
Lalo
it's
na ano yun?
to have a simple conversation, like you're
That's-
talking to a
With
friend.
the
Like, you know
fine.
what, God, I don't understand this,
I'm-
and that's me. I would say that I don't understand
I
this.
completely agree with you because in that case, because what is my easiest way to pray? is when I'm outside and I'm walking alone and I'm talking. Like he's my friend, like he's walking next to me. I have a better relationship than with him. Then I go in my room and kneel down and pray like that.
My students do an experiment like this. My fourth grade students, we're talking 10-year-old kids. And it was amazing what they couldn't believe it. It was a week of prayer and we were talking about the power of prayer, for example. And I have the kids, would you believe I'm full? With the
Kuckelberg. Kuckelberg. Pa Joel. Kuckelberg.
That's what I understood, yeah.
That's where he's from?
Yeah, I think.
That's where I used to live when I first moved to the. What is your name?
That's Kakenbergen.
Van Kattenberg.
What is your name?
Well, maybe that's his name.
Ah, Levi.
Levi.
Ah, dat is een mooie naam.
Wow, bravo.
The reason why I'm saying that, Joel, is because I was like that. I can still be like that with some people. So I understand you very
Ay,
clearly,
bigat.
and I understand that
No.
feeling. And it,
We did not join the walking. Who has the birthday? Retired or 50th birthday? Verjaardag. Ah,
Dankjewel.
50 jaar verjaardag.
Maar dat is 4 en 10 per uur.
Bedankt. By the way, guys, after a long day with our church family, we went back home. It's almost 6 o'clock already, and we had this giveaways. So usually, if we are attending a worship, a special worship, for example in the nature or in the garden, just like today, they are giving different kinds of souvenirs. So today we had this is a sleeper for inside the house during winter time. So I got one for my husband and one for me. So that's all.